So last week I built a picture frame wall in the dining room, and this week I'm going to be doing decorating and tying up some loose ends. So let's see how this goes. I suddenly just remembered that I need an oil holder, and this one is super cute. How much is it? Oh, only $5. All right, so here is the mirror selection, and so far I'm not finding anything that I really like. I was hoping for something black, but this is not round at the top. So kind of a different look than what I'm going for. This is legitimately all I found in this entire store. They just have these sort of outdated looking square ones in bulk. I just don't think that it's long enough for what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna order this motherfucker online. $569? Get fucked. Aha, $65 at Walmart. All right, this looks like a good one. So while I'm waiting for the mirror, I have decided that I'm going to hem these curtains because I put them up a couple of weeks ago, but they're just way too long. But seeing as I don't currently have a sewing machine, it's going to take too much time for me to sew them. So instead I'm gonna be using this hemming tape that I got at IKEA. It's literally like $2. Also, I don't feel like taking the curtains off and ironing them, so I'm going to be using a hair straightener to melt the glue into it. So what I've just done is I've gone in and I've pinned the curtains in the position that I want them to be. And now I'm just going in with my flat iron and sort of doing a rough run through of the curtain so that I can see what it's like when it is perfectly straight and hemmed. I think it's looking pretty damn good. Section of it off. So now this part of the curtain is completely hemmed and sealed. Okay, so I am officially done hemming the curtains, and honestly, it was not that bad. It didn't take me very long to do, and ended up taking me about an hour to do the whole thing. And honestly, I think it looks pretty damn good. Okay, so my mirror has just arrived. I'm not gonna put weight on that. So let's see. I need scissors. Is this upside down? Anyways. We're not using these. We've learned from our mistakes. But we were stupid and we used the drywall screws that it came with, and it's currently falling out of the wall. Don't ever use the stuff that they give you. Wait, are there drill holes? There's no guide. It's just instructions that I don't need. I wish I had one of those guides. You know, the ones that they're like, you put it against the wall and they're like, drill here. I wish that it had one of those, but apparently we can't have nice things. Okay, now I gotta figure out how I wanna measure this. Okay, so I should drill in 19 1/4. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna do some girl math. See how this fucking goes. Okay. This looks about right, give or take. F it. This is how we're gonna do the math here. If you're not, guys, you're dealing with professional installer. I've done this before. All right, so what I have decided to do is to just take this piece of cardboard and just kind of make my own outline. What, stencil? Make my own stencil? Whatever it's called. The thing where you're like, drill here. So the idea here is that I can just measure this out and... Are you f***ing kidding me? It's too short. Okay, so I have managed to find this back scratcher, which should be like the right measurement, hopefully. Okay, you know what I did just find though? It's excess of this. Okay, I'm feeling kind of confident about this one. I think this one's gonna be it. Yeah, look at that. Wait a minute, I don't need these measurements anymore, because if I'm drilling holes, I don't need anymore, because check this shit out. Measure it exactly where it needs to go. Yeah. I'm gonna use this level because I feel like that's the responsible thing to do in this situation. So like I said before, I have already learned from my mistake to not use the drywall screws that it comes with because they are absolute. So instead I'm gonna be using these Easy Anchor ones. These bad boys. All right, so I'm interrupting because Reggie has to go outside, but we just got new microphones and Reggie has this tendency where he doesn't bark, he screams. So I'm gonna see if I can capture some of that. You gotta put your bra on. Like, there you go, like this. Thank you. Okay. So when the screw gets to be really close like this, it starts like kind of stripping. So you have to sort of like sweet talk it, caress it into getting into the wall. Get in there, bitch! I'm a little nervous. Why do you have to be such a bitch? Oh, one side. Oh, that's pretty damn close. Good enough for me. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you effortlessly, flawlessly hang a mirror with absolutely zero struggle whatsoever. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week's episode where Reggie joins a motorcycle gang.